Hi guys, so how do you connect WooCommerce to TikTok Shop? Now we all know that WooCommerce is very beneficial for growth in our e-commerce account here. So if you haven't got any WooCommerce yet, I suggest that you guys could log in there also and create your account. I would like to start fresh here first and foremost, and let's search the seller account here, the TikTok seller. Of course, you're going to need a TikTok seller in this one, because how else would you connect here? So just make sure that your account is very well provisioned and there's no warnings going on. And I've actually did this before, pulled this off before, but then I unlinked it. So it's important that you open your ads manager as well. If you haven't got any ads, the TikTok ad manager account, you should start making one. So you're going to need this as well. Now that because I've already created this, I'm just going to log in anyways. And there are videos in this channel also that are related to creating an ad like this channel. So, and you're going to need this because if you don't have this, there might be some glitches and warnings that sort of like mismatches when you try to link things, and you're going to need this trio here, WooCommerce and the ad manager here. You're going to need this really to monitor your progress, and it sends off warning as well. If there's warnings in your accounts, they're sort of like linked. So now going back to the seller account here, I'm going to need you to make sure that this is a low risk. This remains low risk right here. So I'm able to do some future tutorials after that. Just go ahead and click apps and services. Now there's TikTok Shop partner once you're done, but right now I want you to click the app store right now. And then this is the app store where you could find some e-commerce affiliated platforms that could suit your basic needs in terms of e-commerce. Now you could go ahead and search the WooCommerce over here if it appears. If not, then let's find another solution. Like this one doesn't seem to appear. Like there's a lot of things there. You could find it here on the popular platforms. Let's just the one at the bottom right here. There's Shopee, Shopify, AliExpress. Here it is, the WooCommerce. So again, there's also things that you could connect here, like Shopee, AliExpress. There's actually a lot of things here that if you're looking for future tutorial videos off, you just base it off of this. There's more here, like basically everything that is affiliated and has the permission by TikTok. Go ahead and click that. You're going to see two options here, and let's just click install. You can choose whatever. They're basically the same. Those are partner platforms. Now you're going to now as you can see that the your shop name here on top, you can't change it because that's just a default setting. Okay, now pick your duration on how long would you want this platform to be in partner with yours, and contact email. Yes, put my email here. I'm going to be blurring this for the safety purposes here. This is just an example, and I'm giving out information here which is now actually prohibited by the YouTube. So there's a heads up for you guys if you're making content. And that's just it. We're doing fine. We're rolling. Click here and let's just see. Make sure to read all this, guys. The terms and conditions. let's just make sure to read all of that if you can. And you're going to need the authorization here, and it needs access to multiple things, but we're going to press agree on this one. Now you're going to be prompted here on the page here, the platform that just partnered with yours from Woocommerce. And let's just go ahead and go back to the seller center, and let's just wait for it to load a little bit. Just go back to home page. Let's just refresh here. So let's just wait for it to refresh a little bit. It takes time, so this is a hefty process, but once we're done, we are going to be working really smooth here. So apps and services, relocate the partner here. Once you click the partner, and then here it is. Here's your WooCommerce apps and services right here. You're connected now. So so far WooCommerce, just for an additional info, has come on the top 3s of the most used partners here on the TikTok shop, and a lot of people have been trying to connect the two, but having a hard time because they haven't just set it up the correct tools yet. And also you could do it on your mobile phone here, so it's been very convenient for me recently when I use this application instead, trying to open up, check out a computer, which could absolutely take time, and just for convenience. So I'm just going to compare and let you see the app here that is accessible on the mobile phone, and let's try to compare the two here. They are very, very similar, and just a couple of limitations here, but overall it's just as the same as you were to open the actual WooCommerce at a PC or a laptop. And the features are here, everything, and this one's also connected to TikTok. So that's just a heads up for you guys. If you want this application right now, it's very, very, very beneficial and convenient as well. That's all I could say. Let's just get a stroll here to let you guys see further. So how did I download this? I just opened up, checked out the store here, the App Store, Google Store. You can do this absolutely also on iPhones. So here we go. Just click it here, search it. As you can see, my TikTok shop's also been downloaded on a phone, so it gets me convenient. The convenience that it gave me is just absolutely astonishing, and it's perfectly rated here. And yeah, it's been very convenient since I've downloaded this app, so you guys give it a try. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video is educational. Thank you, and have a nice day.